TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 190 bucks. You got the Nasdaq down 65. S&Ps are down 29. Gold's trading down $9.80 at 11.22. You have silver down 43 cents at $14.78. Platinum is down $26 at $9.43 an ounce. You get copper down 9 pennies at $2.30 a pound. Light sweet crude's off $1.19, trading out at $45.78 a barrel. Bonds. 10-year up 15 ticks, 127.27. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. We're going after their April highs. 30-year up a full point, 20 ticks, 155.05. King dollar up 296 ticks, 96.33. That's going after. It's going into the downdraft that was created out there on September 9th with dramatically lighter volume. You get the euro down 38 at 111, and the yen is off a half a penny at 120.06. S&Ps. So if we take a look at the S&Ps out here, what you have, folks, is this. Right now, the SPY is trading at a price point of 194.13. You've gapped lower. You have 21 million shares thus far. You're going into 158. They'll blow that baby away. I suspect what we have now is that we're going after the lows that were established out here on the 25th, which is 186.92. You take a look at the NDX 100, the Qs. What you have with the Qs, same type of setup. The Qs are down 150 right now. You're down 9.5 million shares. And the Qs is a very fast expansion of volume going on right now. The Qs want to run down to this 98.01 level. The bond market continues to scream to want higher price. What that's all about, of course, is that the market wants lower price. The 10-year right now is up 15 ticks. You got 486,000 contracts. You're going after the 1.1 million. That'll do over a million here today. The spike high in the 10-year is 129.10. It's going to make a run for that level. We take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year is this. 30-year right now is trading up 1 point and 18 ticks. You've done 101,000 contracts. This baby's going to try to make a run up to that 158 to 161 level. The market out here today, folks, it looks like there's good numbers, meaning there's big numbers. Well, they're not as big as they're going to be. You have the FTSE down 2% right now. The CAT is off 2.7. The DAX is down 2.7. Our Dow is only down 1. The S&Ps are down 1.1, and the Nasdaq is down 1.7. What I expect you're going to see out here today, you're going to see more pressure come in the marketplace. You get a couple dead cat bounce, as our man, Mr. Larry Pesavento, was saying. You get kitty cat bounces. Bottom line, what you had, the first bounce just came to the aspect that someone was pushing the market up, I suspect, to sell into that market. Bottom line, you can expect the volatility to continue. And when these things come out of nowhere, bottom line meaning that you have a market that's overnight. Market tried to get higher yesterday, couldn't handle higher price, had lighter volume. This is setting up a very large ABC structure on the way down. You go take a look at the small caps. And what you do have, by the way, when you look at Europe, Europe is already deep into the August 24th bar. If we take a look at the DAX is down 275 right now. The high of that August 24th bar is 935. You're at 675. The low of that bar is 338. That is setting up, number one, a run to the bottom of that bar, which is pretty intense because the bottom of that bar in our markets are dramatically lower. The FTSE is down 127. We are at 981. The bottom of that bar is 768. The top is 187. You're into that bar by over 200 bucks. If we take a look at our own S&Ps, and you want to see just how far ahead that bar is, we're at 1944, and the bottom of that bar is 1867. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.